babes, welcome back to Facial February with your girl Sweet Angel. It is day 9, and let me tell you this. If your eyes ever look tired before you feel tired, today's facial is about to be your new best friend. We're doing a cooling, depuffing, under eye treatment using just 2 gentle ingredients that calm the skin, reduce puffiness, and refresh mature eyes in only 10 minutes. No fancy tools, no irritation. This is perfect for mornings, after a late night, or any time your under eyes need a quick reset. Let's wake those eyes up. Ingredients: first, cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is naturally cooling and soothing, helps reduce puffiness and fluid retention, refreshes tired, stressed under eyes. Aloe vera gel deeply hydrates delicate under eye skin, calms irritation and dryness, softens the appearance of fine lines. Together, they create a lightweight eye gel that feels like a mini spa moment for your eyes. How to apply: mix the fresh cucumber juice with the aloe vera gel using clean fingers or a cotton pad. Gently tap under the eyes. Relax and let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse gently with cool water and pat dry. Follow with your favorite eye cream or moisturizer. This mixture can be stored in the fridge for extra cooling power. Now, how often to use? 2 to 4 times per week. Safe for mature skin and sensitive skin. Great for mornings or before makeup. This DIY facial is for cosmetic and self-care purposes only. Always perform a patch test before applying to the under eye area. Avoid use on broken or irritated skin. I will have everything linked in the description box for you. The description may contain affiliate links as well, and I may earn a small commission at no cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am Sweet Angel signing out for now. I will see you on the next video, which will be day 10 of Facial February. Hey, beautiful babes, I will see you then. Take care. Bye.
Back in sunshine on your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round, yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. 2 queens in the mirror, lifting each other higher. Stay